Hi guys, clearly we're back at home now. Just a little recap if you missed my last video. My university shut down because of the coronavirus and I had to move back home. Now we're doing online school and we actually just found out a few days ago that it's for the rest of the semester. So I am going to be showing you guys a day in my life as an online college student because that's what I am now. So today is Thursday, March 19th. So I have my planner here. It's pretty full. So I guess I'll just like give you a rundown on what I need to get done today. So I usually start out the morning by going through Blackboard. So I go through all of my classes and I just look to see what I need to get done today. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go through my classes and write down everything I need to get done that isn't already written down. So basically I'm just planning my entire day. I'm gonna make a to-do list and this is just really helpful because it keeps me organized. So right now it is 10:56. I have to log into class at 11:55, so I have about an hour. But basically what I'm gonna do is clean my room instead of start my homework because I do have to go to class at a certain time. I don't want to be late for it. So I'm gonna do something else that's productive in the meantime. So this is what it looks like and it's Blackboard Collaborate. This is for my Italian class, by the way, so that's why that's in Italian. I also made another cup of tea.
See a magnify lamp, okay, and click on the plus button to magnify.
Okay, so I just finished my first log into class time online type of thing. We all tried our best. There were a lot of technical difficulties, but she gave us an assignment to work on and then put us with partners from our class, and it just took forever. And this is all new stuff that we're learning, so it's like extra confusing. It just makes learning a language like 10 times harder, I guess. Yeah, it's currently 12:54 right now. I'm contemplating either getting one thing checked off of my to-do list or going and making lunch. Okay, I can do one thing. I can get one thing done off of my to-do list and then go make lunch. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do some work for my Com 215 class, which is a communications class, but I have some journal responses to do. I have 2 more to do. So I'm gonna do that right now and then I'm gonna go make lunch. Come on, study buddy. So I come downstairs and she's reorganizing the fridge. It's just funny because we watched fridge reorganizing videos and then she's doing it now. So we're done with our little break now. I have this mark on my face and I think I like scratched my face, but it looks really bad. Anyways, I am taking a quiz right now. I don't know how many questions there are on this, so I should probably like get back to it because there's an hour limit on this. My camera is currently on my mason jar of water right now, so hopefully it doesn't fall. So I finished my quiz in literally like 5 minutes. It was only 5 questions and I thought it was gonna be longer than that. Next on the to-do list is some Italian homework. We have to do this thing called a Padlet, which is basically like a blog post type of thing. So we're gonna get started on that. It's 3:43 right now. Currently working on this still. So it's just like a long vlog from everyone in my class and it's gonna take a while. But I still have my study buddy right next to me. It's gotten to that point in the day where the hair it just goes up. She's trying to leave me. Paisley. What? Paisley, what do you want? Bless you. What do you want? The glasses have made a comeback. If anyone's wondering about my glasses, yes, they are prescription glasses and I don't need them 24/7. I wear them a lot more when I'm actually in lectures and stuff because the board or screen is farther away, so it's harder for me to read it. But because my computer is literally right in front of my face, it's like not hard to read it. But I put them on after a while because staring at the computer kind of hurts my eyes a little bit. So if you're wondering, that's why they were on and off. Yeah. So I was able to get done everything that I absolutely needed to get done today, which was really nice. The only thing that I didn't get done today were my psychology assignments. I have a few to do, but they're not due until Sunday at midnight. so I have plenty of time to do them, and it's currently 6:17. I can't do any more work today. Although the last thing I will do is catch up on a few emails. I have some YouTube stuff to take care of and some professor stuff to take care of with my classes. So I do need to answer those before I'm like done for today. But other than that, I'm like pretty much done. Online school is hard, but I think it's just hard right now because no one really knows what's going on, and like my professors don't teach online classes, so they just like don't know how to use technology, and they're struggling. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am gonna stop it here. It's been a pretty full day in my life, I'd say. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give this a giant thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more from me. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Also, don't forget to wash your hands, do your homework, and stay inside your house. Please. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!